It's science, science, science. It's science, science, science. It's science, science, science. It's chemistry. It's hypotheses. It's data. It's measuring. It's all kinds of things that you expect and don't expect. There are clamps and funnels that you sometimes use. There are dreams that you have, and you can make them come true. Not with magic, not with mirrors, but with SCIENCE.
Science.
Dude.
My friends, welcome to our 17th week, maybe our 15th, 14th science show.
I'm not sure. I think it might be the 14th. That's data. We should know that. But that's okay.
Well, should we?
No, probably not. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to set maybe this is his xylophone?
It is.
Over here. My friends, we have an experiment today that I'd like to say will work, but going by the past 3 weeks of experiments, the chances are it may not. But it might, because we do have experiments that have worked and been exciting and thrilling and real journeys of the mind and soul.
We watched one of them just this morning.
We rewatched the Checker episode.
I know, that was good.
That was good. The Checker episode of weeks before.
And remember Mr. Chris? He even found out that they were official checkers.
Yes.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yes.
That helped. Yeah.
It did. So we're going to clear the lab.
All right.
We won't need the scales.
Okay. And I like that I don't know what this is about because, like, I don't know what we're going to need.
We won't need the level.
Not the level.
We won't need the floppy tape measure.
Okay.
You've got to put it back just like
always. Mm-hmm.
Okay. We won't need the tape measure. We won't need the rocks, but we'll keep them here in the corner because it's nice to have a touch of nature.
Yeah, nature.
We won't need the clamps, but we will use them to pick up the beaker.
Oh, and they picked them up so successfully.
It really did.
I have a good feeling about today's
The clamps
experiment.
Don't have much success with anything.
No, I know. I think we're turning a corner.
We may be. I'm just going to tuck the funnels over here. I don't think we'll need the magnifying glass, but we might.
Okay.
We'll put it there.
And I won't lie on the ground so we don't have to worry about that falling.
No.
Remember that terrible time when you were
do
almost
remember
injured?
it. We won't need the magnet thing.
Look, even that's working.
Okay, we are going to make a little mat.
Okay.
We're going to get out our equipment.
Okay.
We have a plate. You do not need your plate to have cherries on it.
Okay.
Just get a plate. You need a tablespoon. You can have food coloring, but you don't need any.
Okay.
You need water. You need rubbing alcohol.
Whoa. This is a big experiment.
This rubbing alcohol expired in October of 2018, so it may not have the isopropyl alcohol components, but we'll give it a little shake and maybe it will, maybe it won't.
I think if you shake it, it does.
I feel like shaking things often helps unless they're carbonated
Oh,
or flammable.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Okay.
Hey, those are the breaks. Not everything you go in your cupboard to use is still good. Sometimes it's expired and, you know,
Right.
well,
Right.
I'm not going to give you any instructions on that.
Okay.
So we are going to refer back to Bet You Can by Vicky Cobb and Kathy Darling. Science Possibilities to Fool You.
Nice.
Which was published in 1983.
That's right.
So,
Do you know that song? Operator. Oh, that's 1982. Never mind. Sorry.
so the title of this experiment is called Dry Cleaning. Normally I would never do this with a book, but because we use it so much, I am.
And we probably don't want other people to read that book.
And I would really never put a bottle of isopropyl alcohol on top of it to keep it flat and squished.
Even if it's expired.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Exactly.
Okay, here we go.
That was Shakespeare, I think.
I don't think.
Sounds like him, though.
I shouldn't have said that.
Okay.
Dry cleaning. Bet you can make a dry spot in 2 liquids. What? Let's see. The setup. Put a tablespoon of water on a china saucer.
Okay.
This is not china. This is hand-painted dishwasher microwave safe Italy trend craft. We'll just call it glass. So I'll get my tablespoon
Pottery?
of water. I don't think it's pottery. So there's my healthy tablespoon.
Okay.
So I'm going to put it on the plate.
All right.
Then I'm just going to throw that in there. Then color it if you wish with a few drops of food coloring. So there was some food coloring in the cupboard in the kitchen. Oh, my name's Miss Rebecca. I'm with the Shaler North Hills Library, and this is science. And that's Miss Ingrid behind the camera. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
It's a wonky time, friends.
It is.
Okay, so we're going to put, it said a few drops. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Because I feel like a few means 3.
Yeah. A couple is 2.
A couple's 2.
Yeah.
And several is 3, 2, or more. Okay, so we put our food coloring in. Pour a few drops of rubbing alcohol in the center of the water.
All right. Dude, I think this is going to work.
I don't know.
I think it's going to work.
It looks kind of neat. Do you see all the swirls in there? Get a close-up.
Dude, that's neat.
It's a little stunning. It's a little bit
neat.
beautiful.
It is.
Okay, maybe keep the camera right there.
Okay.
Ooh, it still
I'm so
smells like
excited.
rubbing
I think it's
alcohol.
going to work.
It says just put a few drops of rubbing alcohol. Oh my gosh!
Let's get the
Pipette!
dropper. The pipette.
Come on! Field trip.
Okay. Put the mask on for the field trip.
We're going out of the lab studio into the workroom.
Yeah.
So come on.
Okay. Here we go.
Here we go.
Field trip. Field trip. Yeah, science field trip. Field trip, science pipettes. It's pipettes. Woo! Yeah, look at that. All right, here we go back into the lab. Traveling music. Here we are. Look, here's the lab. Oh, Asparagus and Asparagus are still here.
Okay.
All right.
Hold on.
Oh, look, they got excited too. Hold on, let me wait. Don't drop it yet. I'm getting.
I didn't. I'm making sure the water's there. Oh my gosh!
I know they're very excited. Okay. All
There's
right.
the water.
Where's the water?
There, right there.
Oh,
Just checking. And this. Wait.
it's the pipette. I didn't know
It
that's
is
what
the
it's called.
pipette.
All right. Okay.
Well, I think that's what it's called.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna.
And is that the rubbing alcohol?
This is the isopropyl. What?
Yeah. Make sure. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
it is.
Okay.
And it still expired almost 2 years ago.
All right.
So we sucked up a little alcohol in our dropper. Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Wait, we're gonna put the cap back on. Oh, this pipette is a
It's a
little
leaky
problematic.
pipette.
See,
Oh
there's
my
little
goodness.
dry spots.
Look at that.
Isn't that interesting?
Dude, this worked.
It did work.
It made like
It's still moving.
like the opposite of a river.
Look what's
I
happening.
mean, the opposite of a lake.
Wait,
I don't even know
it's
how to
working.
describe this.
hold on.
Whoa.
Look at it move.
This is
pretty
so
cool.
weird.
That's pretty neat.
Dude, that was weird. That is neat. That totally worked.
That did work.
Oh my gosh, why did it work?
Well, here's what happens. You pour your few drops of rubbing alcohol in the center of the water. Lo and behold, the water rushes away from the alcohol, leaving a dry spot in the center of the plate. The fix. This stunt is a battle between the skins of two liquids. If you don't believe the water has skin, then watch the bag-like drop form on a faucet. The shape of the drop is due to surface tension in the skin, where the water molecules cling together with quite remarkable strength. Alcohol also has a visible surface tension, but it is not as strong as that of water. On the shallow dish, where the two surfaces meet, there is a tug of war between the surface tension of alcohol and the surface tension of water. Since the surface tension of water is stronger, it pulls away from the alcohol and destroys the weak surface film of the alcohol, leaving an empty and dry spot behind.
Whoever said science was boring never did this experiment or heard you read about it.
That, my friends, is the dry cleaning experiment.
Like, I wonder, I didn't really understand what you read, but I know it sounded, I know it was real, but I really liked it.
Yeah, well, and, I feel like slopping with water is nice.
Yeah.
And while I can't say I'm a fan of food coloring because I find that it makes a mess,
yeah,
and I am a grown-up and I don't really like unnecessary messes, it is visually pleasing.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
And I'm not a fan of alcohol, so I would be with the water. Like, I would run away from it.
But it's isopropyl alcohol. It would clean a cut. Or that's probably.
I don't know. That's not science.
That's
that is science. That's more like Miss Kathy's science than our science. We don't, we're staying in our lane.
Yeah, we're not medical.
Yeah.
We're not medical science.
Right. We're more like...
Just in case you got that impression.
We're anthropomorphic science.
I don't think that makes sense.
It doesn't, but it sounds cool.
Well, friends, that was dry cleaning.
Dude, that was awesome, Miss Rebecca.
That was pretty neat.
Yeah. That was cool. That was really cool. It's surface tension and it's liquid repulsion, and it's not medical science in this case, but it might be in other shows. Not ours, but that's okay. Never. It's data though, and it's occasional food coloring, and we know that alcohol is working even when it is expired. Yeah, at least for chasing away water. It works for that. So if you need to chase away some water, just use your science facts. It's science. It's science. It's SCIENCE.
Science, not medical